Hello, I'm Stéphanette. This short video to explain you how to use the application Deepro. Deepro is a smartphone application created by a French philosopher, Vincent Cespedes, and his company, Matkaline, which is a philosophical startup. Deepro is not a personality test. Deepro is an application which will help you to scan your own values. 9 different values. 3 values you're using at that time in your job. 3 other values you are using with people you are connected with every day. 3 other values you have inside you, your desire, your needs, and your feelings. Deepro also scores shockwaves are violent things, brutal feelings, painability, control, and so on. It's not negative things. It's just things you will be tired of. Charm waves are good feelings, happiness, creativity, sunny, bright values and feelings and things like that. It's not really positive, but it's making you happy and feeling good. Deepro also reveals your logic of behavior, which means the way you behave, the mood, the global mood you have. I will now explain you how to use the application. Everything is written in the application. But right now, I'm going to explain you. First, log in with your email and fill in form the name of your company. Then select profiling and you will have to answer 48 questions. For each question, you have a great theme. For example, stress, happiness, freedom, and then you will have to choose between 5 different words. It's now time for reflection and meditation. Think of the great theme you are working on and then read the different words. And then you have to choose not only one word. You can choose 2, 3, 4 or 5 words. You have to choose the words which suit perfectly what you think and who you are. Take your time for that. It's really important to be calm and to have a great meditation about those words. When your choice is done, then validate with OK. If you need more information in the test, touch the letter I. When you answered the 48 questions, it's time to do the second part. You will repeat the same exercise. In a list of 6 words, you have to choose only one word. The word which describes you the best. When you have selected this word, you will have to answer 2 questions. First, with this word, you have to choose how you practice this value. Inside you, in your mind, in your brain, or outside you, in society, with friends, with relationships, you will have to choose the level. Inside, outside. Then you have to choose how important is the judgment of the others about this value. Now the test is done. To get the results, go to Report, Summary Report. In the Summary Report, you can touch all the values and then you will get more information about the value. You've done the classical version of Deepro. If you liked it, please share it on the social media and share it to your friends and colleagues. When your friends would have done the test as well, you can check how you match, because there is an ethic matching values test. You just have to fill in form their email address, and then you will have also a new report about your connections, your common values, your disconnecting values, and so on. You can also get a professional report from Deepro. This is the Deepro Pro. You will get a full page divided in 3 parts, and you will get it by email. The first part indicates your 8 abilities at work. For each ability, you will have the level of your ability. Is it low? Is it high? The second part will show you how your energy is at work. Joyful, stressful. There are 4 opposite couple of notions, and you will be able to see where you are in between those different notions. There is a third part. This part is optional. It's just for people who have been revelated by the test as having a very specific ambition. The most important thing is that Deepro is not a psychometric basic test. It is not that. It's just to exchange, to think, to meditate about our values and to share the results between colleagues, between friends. If you are looking for a job and if you are doing the test in that case, you can be just sincere, authentic, and honest. It's not to evaluate you, it's just to know you better, to have subjects for discussion, and it's not a straight test. Be sure that your data are confidential. We won't sell it. It's just for the test. We hope you will enjoy Deepro. And you can repeat the test Deepro every 3 or 4 months to see how your values are changing.